Hello everyone. You are probably here because you need a screencasting tutorial video service, right? I'll show you how it's going to work. Step 1. You just need to provide me the basic requirements for screencasting video of yours. Step 2. You provide me the script for your screencasting tutorial video, or I do that by myself. Step 3. In case I make the script for your screencasting tutorial video, I will write the script and send the script for your approval. Step 4. After the approval of your script, I will do screencasting and making your tutorial in the software. Step 5. I will send the final output to you as delivery and wait for your approval. You can have an unlimited amount of revision as well, so that you can get the desired output from my service. Again, if you are searching for the right service, just click contact and I will be waiting for your SMS. Thank you and have a nice day.